Oh, that's a roaring brook, all right. You can get yourself your own lean-to here at Baxter at the Roaring Brook. Boom. It's roaring. Here's the bunkhouse where we've been staying the last 2 nights. One more night to go. Nice little place. We got some propane lamps. There were a few people here the first night, but they cleared out early in the morning, and last night we had the place to ourselves. Tomorrow's supposed to be a lovely day, so I imagine we'll have some more people here tonight. Well, it's our last full day in Baxter. It's a wet one, so we're just taking it easy at the bunkhouse. Pete and I are both nursing injuries, so with it being so wet, and with the water so high, I'm not really interested in doing much of anything. But I got a little bit of life in these legs left, so I'm going to try this 0.7 mile nature trail that's around here. All right, here you go, the Roaring Brook Nature Trail. Jeez. The amount of water is impressive. We had a hard enough time going over the Chimney Pond Trail 2 days ago. If you watched that, you saw how much water there was then. I can only imagine it's much worse now. It is, it's a lot of water. Pete's feet are all banged up, so he decided to sit this one out. This hike's only about 0.8 miles, so very short little loop, but definitely worth checking out. It's fascinating how hills can block sound. We just came over this little rise, and the sound of the Roaring Brook just drops away once we get behind this hill. Look at that. Some moose poop. Looks fairly fresh. Nice little walk. About all my legs can handle today. Nice to get a little bit of time out here. Rain seems to have stopped. I don't know if it was done for the day. That'd be great. Oh. Swampy field. Where's my moose at? Where are you, moose? Those boards look a little suspect. Well, I had come up here hoping to get all 3 of the 4,000 footers that I needed for my New England 67. Mount Katahdin, aka Baxter Peak. Hamlin Peak, also part of Katahdin. And North Brother. Walking away with 2. Katahdin and North Brother. Hamlin will have to wait for another day. My legs are done. This 1 mile trail is challenge enough. I'm not going to attempt Hamlin tomorrow morning, which would be my only option, so I'll just have to wait for another trip. It's a long way up here, but it's a gorgeous place. Very remote and very well taken care of, so definitely recommend planning a trip to Baxter State Park. Pretty awesome. Yeah, pretty wet walking through these bushes, but well worth it. Look at this. The ferns are turning a lovely golden color. Well, this was a nice, easy little hike to finish up my time at Baxter State Park. fantastic spot. I definitely recommend visiting here. It's worth the drive. Now we just gotta manage this tricky crossing, and it'll be an easy walk out.